In Photoshop 24.5, go to the Layers panel and click the plus. Add a layer very quickly. Once you've done that, go to the selection tools, and I'm just going to use this one, Lasso tool. Now I'm setting a feather of about 38 and just applying a very random shape, and it could be anything. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply a stroke to that. Now you could of course do this by brush strokes, but I actually prefer using this feather and selection approach. Create some great little shapes and designs. So edit and go to stroke. Now in the stroke, what you can do, you can set up the colour. Go for a grey, and I'm just going to go for a variety of different greys because you can apply it 5 or 6 times. So click OK, so that grey. Also I'm using blend mode of difference and centre. And click OK. And now you've got this nice blurry, it's unusual stroke design. But you can apply it multiple times. You don't have to apply it just once. And also you can of course change the feather. You can change the various widths. So edit and stroke. And claim, let's just go down there. Let's put a different grey. Click OK. Difference, and maybe set it to 40. And click OK. And now you've got that. Be quite tricky to do that with a brush stroke. So once you've got that, you can go and deselect it. Select and deselect. I want to delete the background. So delete the background. I don't need it anymore. Just wanted transparency. So yes. And just select the rectangular marquee tool. So select that. Make certain you avoid going over the edge. So just drag it like that. Yep, that looks fine. And now you can find that as a pattern. So you've got this great sort of lovely line that you can use as a pattern now. So edit and define pattern. Give it a name. I'm just going to go with that. And select and deselect and then flatten it. So layer and flatten image. Now I'm just going to leave it on there. It doesn't matter because I'm going to cover it up with a fill. So edit and fill. Well, I'm going to use that pattern I've just created. So just make certain you use pattern option. Go down there and select pattern. Now I've got a couple already I created. So I'm just going to select that one. That was the one just created there. Make certain script is on. Symmetry fill. Click OK. And you can see the design there. And you can vary it. You can set the scale to 1.25. Also 7 for dilated rotation. But you can also vary this. And literally thousands of different designs can be created very quickly using different settings. Now I'm just going to go, I think that one's probably the best one. Be great if there's a randomised feature in this. Unfortunately there isn't. There's colour randomisation and brightness, so you can see different colours here. If I set that down to 0, you wouldn't. It would be just a grey. But what I want, because I've gone for the grey, you've got a whole range of different colours. Let's just put the brightness up there. Click OK. And there you've got that. You've got this lovely swirling spiral symmetry design. But you can also modify it. Once I've done this, normally what I normally go to here, filter, and then go down to distort, but you can also use stylize. You might want to blur it slightly. I mean, it's pretty blurry already, but stylize and oil paint. And you can set that to the max, or just maybe 4 or 5. Lighting turned off, click OK, just to create a nice sort of smeary design. Then go to filter and down to distort and wave. I always like to set this to 1 and then set the wavelength, and you can vary it. I suggest maybe reduce that down. So for the first one, just apply, you can apply wave multiple times. So I'm just going to go with this and click OK. Sign and repeat and 1. Click OK. But you don't have to leave it like this. You can apply it multiple times, of course. You could go filter, wave. Unfortunately, it falls into a pattern, sort of a nice square design that perhaps is not what you want. But you can always go back, filter and distort and wave. So instead of using that, you can just vary these, and also you can randomize. So literally thousands of other designs can be created. And you click it, and sometimes it just looks great. Sometimes you think, not much different before. And randomise, click OK. And again, filter and distort and wave. Again, you can apply it over and over again using the repeat. But you can also set a number of generators. You might like to go for maybe 2 or 5. Just creates some variation. Again, randomise. And click OK. And that's all from a single line design using the selection.